What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have a video on this new project called Manta. Again, it was listed on Binance on the 18th of January, which is today at 10 a.m, which was a couple of hours ago, and it has been performing absolutely insane guys. Over 4,700% up. It was over 5,000% up earlier on the day, but it has taken a little bit of a dip. As you guys can see, it did go from just about 5 cents all the way up to, let's have a look here, $3.28, meaning it did perform very well. And yes, it is on CoinMarketCap as well, however the percentage is different. Reason is, as you guys can see here, it was listed 15 minutes later on CoinMarketCap compared to Binance, and that 15 minutes has made a major impact on the percentage increase. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Manta. Is this a crypto to be investing into? Is it one to avoid? Is it going to crash back down? Looking at its prediction, however, as usual guys, this is a new project, meaning it does not have much historical data, so the long-term prediction is not possible, but I will be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours and days. What we can expect, is it one to avoid or is it one to get into as soon as possible? And I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto as well, because only the short-term prediction is possible. So before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the CoinMarketCap website, the Binance website here, into the 15-minute chart, we got a little bit more red candles, so we are going to go through its price prediction. However, you guys can see there is no MACD indicator here due to the lack of data. So before I get into the price prediction, just a little disclaimer. As usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart here, we can see that yes, it did pump up in the first 15 minutes, and ever since then it's been more or less fluctuating around the $2.40 target. So over the next few hours, next couple of hours, so essentially by this afternoon to today evening, I'm expecting the crypto to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially up to $2.50, $2.60, somewhere around that price range. However, I'm also expecting it to dip down a little bit over the next hour or two, down to about $2.30. So here's going to be quite volatile, red and green candles, but overall it is likely to fluctuate around its current price range. So what I'm trying to say is no major crashes or no major pumps or bull runs are expected as of yet. However, over the coming days, yes, it may be able to slowly gain value up to potentially around $3. However, I'm not going to say it is going to do that at the moment, because more data is needed over the next few days, or over tomorrow or the day after. I'll be able to keep you guys updated on what to expect over the weekend and early next week as well. But at the moment, no major movements are expected due to the fact that it's already done about over 4,700% increase. But again, for those of you asking me, am I investing into the crypto right now? Simple answer is no. Why not? Because as you guys know, I'm into crypto for the long term, and with this much data I can't do the long term prediction, so I won't get into it. And the fact that as soon as it got listed it's pumped up over nearly 5,000% is not really a sustainable project for the long term for myself anyway. But if I do invest into it, I will let you guys know, but more than likely I won't be doing that anytime soon. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume is already at over $582 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Manta network. Again, it was only listed about 3-4 hours ago from when I'm recording the video, and the trading volume is already this high. So that's how much traction and attention is getting in the crypto market. A lot more people are focusing on Manta network. So comment down below, are any of you guys watching this video investing into it, buying it, selling it? What are you guys doing with this crypto? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are investing into new projects like this. And as usual, projects like this, when it's new and pumping up this much, it does have its own risk. So if you are investing into it, just make sure you got your risk management on point. And the number one rule is do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. So yeah, this is my take on Manta. Again, we're not going to go to the seconds chart because, yeah, as you guys can see, that is way too zoomed in. Let's zoom out to the hourly chart, and we've got about 4 hours worth of candles here. So again, yes, it pumped up for the first 2 hours and hit two red candles for the last 2 hours as of now. So again, it is likely to fluctuate around its current price range with no major changes. However, over the coming weeks, I'm expecting it to pump up and then drop back down in value. Essentially, I'm not saying it's a pump and dump token, but essentially like a pump and dump is what I'm expecting, pumping up in value and then slowly starting to come back down. But there will be more updates on Manta over the coming days and weeks as well. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want regular updates on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. A lot of you guys did DM me asking me to make a video on Manta network. Is getting listed, should I get into it, should I avoid it, so on and so on, is it a scam? So again, it's a short video, but I've given you guys my take on it, my prediction. I'm not going to tell you guys to invest or not to invest. It's entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I'm just here to give you guys my take and my prediction on the crypto. And as of now, this is my take, and I will be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. And talking about cryptocurrency in general, guys, Bitcoin has not been moving much at all over the last couple of days. As you guys can see, let's quickly change this to US dollars. It is still fluctuating around 42,000, guys, and over the week, yes, it has dropped 10%, where it went from about $49,000 down to about $41,000 is in a space of about 24 to 48 hours. And ever since then, it hasn't moved much. It has been fluctuating around $42,000. However, late January, early February, I'm expecting the crypto market to, I wouldn't say a bull run, but a slow increase in value, which would also see Bitcoin pumping over $47,000 by the end of Jan and potentially hitting $50,000 in December is what I'm expecting. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. Any little news can have a major impact, but that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated as much as I can on the latest news, updates and so on that can have a potential impact on the crypto market. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Manta network, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.